This is a look at how to use a resistance band to improve shoulder mobility. Holding onto the band in front of your trunk with both hands outstretched away from your body, take the right side up above the right side of your head and back behind you to the right. With the left hand, bring the band back to the front of your body, following a similar arc along the left side of your head. Repeat for several repetitions. Then do the same thing, but begin by taking your left hand back first. Then take both sides back at the same time and bring them forward at the same time. If you'd like to make this more challenging and to further improve shoulder mobility, try shortening your grip to some degree on both sides of the band to create more tension throughout all movements. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.